It seems like whenever I go away, that's when the most boxes arrive at my house. Let's do an unboxing and I'll show you some of the things that I got recently. So first item is a pair of shoes. These are from Jeffrey Campbell. These were the only impulse buy out of the things that I'm gonna show you guys. I loved the color and I loved the novelty of it. That's why when I saw it, I was like, oh my God, I should get this. And then my friend Darian had sent it to me for another girl trying it on, and that kind of solidified it for me. So I was like, all right, let me try it. I love that I saw it in this burgundy. I thought it was super cute with this little coin purse in the front. I loved this lucite wedge heel that it had. So I was like, all right, let me try it. Okay, guys, I put it on. It fits. I love the color. But there's a but. How many times am I really going to wear a shoe that looks like this? Leave it in the comments if you can tell me. So I'm on the fence about keeping these. There is another burgundy shoe that I am thinking about that I think I love a little more, that I would return this and get that one. I ain't gonna tell y'all yet because every time I post something, it seems to disappear in my size. I'm a size 40, so that goes fast. So I'm gonna wait until it's in my possession and then I will share it. Keep it in the same color family, keep it going. I picked up a bag from eBay. I'm hunting for this Tom Ford Gucci era bag for a long time, and I enlisted my girl Nancy. If you don't follow her on TikTok or IG, you need to. She is my vintage goddess. She knows how to thrift and she has an eye. So I had showed her and told her that I was interested in this Gucci Tom Ford bag and if she could find it for me. I didn't have a specific color in mind. I liked this burgundy. I know it comes in a red, and then also a nice chocolate brown. Black, really, I wasn't gonna be really interested in. She had initially found this for me on the Real, but unfortunately I was somewhere that had bad service, so I didn't see it. But then she sent this to me from eBay, and I was like, yeah, immediate checkout. Oh, it is so pretty. Like, I love this. Like, I love the color. It is velvet. It almost leans more eggplant. I would call it eggplant color. I love this silver. Like, come on. This is a great size bag. So when I purchased it off of eBay, it to be sent to eBay to authenticate it, and then it got sent to me. But it was super, super quick. Oh my God, I love it. Now, I love this. Maybe I could even like wear it like a clutch if I don't want to. Oh, I love this. And then opening it up. Right. It's not much space in it. You can't fit much in it. So this is gonna be a going out, not went out with Tory bag. And that's totally fine. Oh my God, Nancy girl, I love you. Thank you so much for finding this for me. Yes, love, love, love this pickup. I'm going to be rocking this. Oh, I might wear this today. I don't know where I'm going, but it's gonna be warm. Denim. I know I shared with you guys that flannels was having a sale. Very much into Alexander McQueen because it is so pricey. Even when it goes on sale, I feel like my size is never available. I'm a little smaller now, so I might be able to catch more sizes. But this Alexander McQueen draped denim jacket, like I wanted this since about 2 years ago. I was watching it. Went down to a good price, but then the larger sizes sold out, so I had given up hope on it. This last go round of sales, it went down to 90% off. And the size that was there, I was like, well, I'm smaller, let me try it out. It might work, and guys, it fits. I only paid $179 for this jacket, which is a really great price. I didn't get the matching jeans. I don't think I need the matching jeans. I don't know, I might start searching for the jeans, but I love the uniqueness of this jacket. Sometimes you need a little fun denim. I don't like things conventional, so. And I'm not wearing a bra, so my boobs is hanging a bit lower. So this will definitely fit my chest when I have on the right stuff. But yeah, this is it. I'm gonna stand up. Don't mind the shorts. I'm in my house. So yes, this is the denim jacket. I love it. And then it's like draping. Super unique. And yeah, this is how it drapes. It just stays here. I thought that maybe there was some buttons, but no. It is just supposed to drape down low. I think once I iron it out, It'll be fine, but I love this. I love a unique statement piece. I feel like, I'm an introvert. It gets the conversations going for me when I go out. And I like to speak through my clothing. So I love this. Keeper. I am a Simone Rocha girl through and through. Like, I always have to buy something of hers each season on sale. So this season, I was locked into the denim pieces. She launched these new denim sets with crystals on the collar, on the chest, and I knew I had to have it. So first item that I picked up was, well, this is the second item. So first item I picked up were these wide leg jeans. There were a few variations of these jeans. There's one with this flower that I got. There's one that has embellishment along the pocket, and then there is one that just has simple embellishment on this kind of like carpenter slack here. But I went with the one with the flower. It is a little. I'm gonna have to get it tailored, a little big right here because of my booty. I'm not gonna back and show you the rest. I'm gonna leave a little bit of that for later when I pull out the outfit. But these are the jeans that I got. I wanted the matching jacket. I couldn't find it anywhere in my size online. The one place that had it, I fell asleep, didn't purchase it, and it got snagged because it was 70% off. Like, who wouldn't buy the jacket at that price? I called Simone Rocha. They told me they no longer had the jacket, but the sales associate was real kind. She was like, I actually was in Saks on Thursday, and I saw 2 of the jackets there. Try them out. I told my sister to go to Saks. She refused to go there. I don't go to the city. So me being the fiend that I am, I put a little bat signal out on Instagram, asked for sales associates at the New York Saks. My girls, they came through, gave me a few, and I was able to grab the matching jacket from Saks. Oh my God, this is hot. I love the jacket. Love, love, love. It was 70% off. And then I got a Saks gift card. Guys, I was winning. So yes, so I got the matching jacket to go with my Simone Rocha jeans. And those are my recent pickups. Tell me what you think. All right.